the way to be in India right now because the kind of films that we are making, the superstars are making, they're almost embarrassing. I think Indian men are just too scared.
True.
Very
When
घबराए
it
हुए
comes to
बेचारे,
fashion.
fashion, very डरे रहते हैं बेचारे. And I think you should have fun and common man. क्या होता है यार? I'm also सभी common ही हैं. Hi, this is Sahil Salafi and you're watching me on IWM Buzz.
Hi guys, welcome to IWM Bus, and today we have Sahil Salatia at India Web Fest. So firstly Sahil, big congratulations, इतना सारा प्यार मिल रहा है post doing so amazing show.
Right.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे ट्विटर्स से इतना जो प्यार मिला है?
Thank you. Even not just Traitors, I think in general I get a lot of love.
Yes.
And Traitors was an amazing experience, but it was a life-changing experience for me. Yeah, because it made me understand how low humans can get
True.
just to survive a few episodes.
Yeah.
And like they can give up on their friendships, which is for 7 years. And you know, so I mean, Traitors told me that cheapskates are real. There are people who are really ethically very weak, and any artist who's ethically so poor cannot be a superior artist.
True.
Because if you don't feel it, if you don't have the sensitivity, if you don't have the lagav, you can't be a pure artist. You can shake it, but that's about it.
True. If we talk about OTT, how you see the growth of OTT now? Because even you got all the fame from the social media and all the OTT platform. How you
Right.
see this growth?
So I would say OTT and social media, first of all, I think go hand in hand.
True.
I think as an actor, as an artist, as a entertainer, you need to have a personality. और वो आपके social media में दिखे तो अच्छी बात है. And your social media shouldn't be your portfolio, or shouldn't be your कि जी मैं देखो अभी मैं ऐसी acting कर रहा हूँ, फिर मैं ये कर रहा हूँ, फिर वो. It should just be an extension of you as a human being, and that's what is important. And OTT, I think in India is good, but I really think we have a long way to go. I'm just being very honest with you. I feel the kind of shows that are made abroad and the kind of shows that we are making, there is a little bit of a difference in terms of the quality, I would say. But there are some shows which are so path-breaking that you're like, man, are they even made in Bandra or like in Mulund, like next to my house? Because I mean, are all the crew members from like my neighborhood? Because so world class. Yeah, so I'm very proud of where India is going in terms of OTT because I think cinema, unfortunately, is not the way to be in India right now because the kind of films that we are making, the superstars are making, they're almost embarrassing. Like you can't make such films and think an educated India of today, you, me, or our buddies here.
Audience are getting smarter.
Audience very smart, yeah. Like I think audience. I mean, they were always smart, to be honest. ये वही होता है ना, हम हमेशा दूसरे पे डाल देते हैं, अरे इनको ये चाहिए इसलिए हमने ये बनाया. ऐसा होता नहीं है. आप अगर किसी को अच्छी चीज परोसेंगे वो खाएंगे, अगर आप किसी को बकवास ही परोसेंगे वो बेचारा खाएगा ही ना, अभी क्या उसके पास ऑप्शन नहीं है. Yeah.
Don't you feel now कि एक ही स्टोरी बार बार रिपीट हो रही है? Whether it's OTT, whether it's big screen, stories are getting repeated. You know, एक ही ड्रामा थ्रिलर हर जगह दिखाया जा रहा है. Once मिर्जापुर got hit and सब वही हो रहा है.
I think ये बिल्कुल सच है and stories repeat हो रहे हैं, actors repeat हो रहे हैं. जब भी आपको कोई गांव का लड़का चाहिए, कोई lower middle class or poor or socially unfortunate, तो आप राजकुमार राव को ले लेते हैं, right? Like और कोई लड़का है ही नहीं. When you need like a small town girl, आप भूमि को ले लेते हैं. So I think that needs to change also as actors. If you can just play yourself or how you look or what you represent as a off-screen personality, then it's not acting, man. And I think tomorrow if you tell me to play, like most of my filmography is like, if you see Panipat, if you see POW, if you see Everest, everywhere I was like either a rich guy, a womanizer, a spoiled brat or royalty.
Sure.
So वो करके I think आपने कुछ नहीं उखाड़ा because supposedly it should come naturally to you. Now tomorrow if I do a role that Rajkumar Rao does in every film, you know, if I play like a Lucknowi guy, if I play somebody from Agra, and if I'm convincing, then I'm a good actor. So जो आपने बोला ये repetition, ये actors में भी बहुत है, stories में बहुत है. एक चीज चलती है तो सब वही पिक करने लग जाते हैं. जैसे मिर्जापुर चला तो सबने सोचा अब हम सारी कहानियां यूपी में ही बनाएंगे या फिर एमपी में ही बनाएंगे. So that needs to change. But having said that, we are still doing very well.
But Sahil, there post Twitter ये buzz था कि आप Big Boss करोगे. Are you serious? All the buzz is going on, and they wanted also to be there. No, you should be there in that show.
देखो मेरे को ट्रेडर्स में सबसे पहले मेरी सबसे करीबी दोस्त ने निकाल दिया एंड माफी भी नहीं मांगी, तो वो मेरा कुछ पर्सनालिटी ऐसा होगा कि शायद वो अच्छा है, बुरा है, कम है, ज्यादा है, आई डोंट नो. बट अगर आपके सबसे खास लोग इतने गिर जाते हैं ना, then I don't think I'm meant for Big Boss, because I feel Big Boss में भी ये लोग मेरे को पहले वीक में निकाल देंगे. So I don't, I'm kidding, like I'm not the Big Boss type, मेरे से होगा ही नहीं. आप my Instagram is my Big Boss. Alright.
Okay, lastly क्या कहना चाहेंगे? ऑडियंस इतना प्यार करती है, आपके स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट को फॉलो करते हुए नजर आती है. How it feel when you see your fans are following your style?
I love it. I really love it. In fact, today मैंने परसों कुछ तस्वीरें डाली थी, and I read the comments, of course. So किसी ने लिखा था, I love this, ये जो आपने trouser पहना है, it was like a netted trouser. So he's like, I'm a common man, तो मैं तो नहीं पहन पाया, मैंने कुछ साल पहले देखा था, but now I'm very happy that you wearing it.
Yeah.
So this is what I want to change. I think Indian men are just too scared.
True.
Very घबराए हुए
come to
बेचारे,
fashion.
fashion, very डरे रहते हैं बेचारे. And I think you should have fun. And common man क्या होता है यार? I'm also सभी common ही हैं, and कोई भी common नहीं है, because हम सब बहुत ही individualistic है. हम सबका एक individual ऑरा है, पर्सनालिटी है. अब वो चाहे आप डॉक्टर हो, एक्टर हो, या आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, या आपका बिजनेस हो. सो आई थिंक दैट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू जस्ट बी योरसेल्फ, एंड आई लव इट व्हेन पीपल take inspiration is too big a word. I don't know, man, what to say. Like when they like what I do in terms of fashion, and there's the love that they send, I appreciate it with like all my heart. But at the same time, I want people to be honest to their own sense of style.
True. Thank you so much,
Thank
and
you.
all the best
Thank
for
you.
the panel also.
Thank you.